In this video, I'm going to show you how to unhide your posts on Facebook. It's very simple to do. So what you want to do is go to your Facebook and go to the menu button at the bottom right corner. This is going to bring you to a lot of your settings and stuff like that. So once you're here, you want to scroll down where it says settings and privacy. Go ahead and hit the drop down menu to get all of your stuff here and go to your settings. So from this point, you want to scroll down and find where it says your activity, as you see mine here, and you want to focus on your activity log. So once that's loaded, you want to stay at the very top where it says your Facebook activity. There's a drop-down menu, go ahead and click that, and go ahead where it says posts and click manage posts. This might take a little bit because it's going to go through your entire history as far as you having a Facebook account. So it might take a second. So you see that I have a lot of things hidden here. So what we can do is just go ahead and pick anything that you really want. And I'm going to scroll down to a post I have here where it says I shared a post. So what you want to do is just go ahead and click the three dots on the far right side. And you're going to have some options here. So one option is to simply add it to your profile, and that will just add it to your profile as a regular post, nothing specific. But what you can do is go ahead and hit those same three dots, and you can change the audience as well to public, to friends, to certain people. You can really customize it just to make sure that you want to share your post to the correct audience that you want. So there's two options there to really unhide your post and to specify who you want it to actually be viewed by as well. So that is how you go about unhiding posts on Facebook. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.